Today we are going to speak about the topic streams. So we can see uh, streams under this is an consoling input output IO operations. We are going to see the topic managing console IO operations. So why we are using this topic first? We know input output functions. What we are doing in input? We are getting input from any of the input devices. Any of the input devices like a keyboard like a keyboard we are getting input devices, we are using the programs or any user interface, we are getting input and we are implementing those input operations and we are implementing the output functions. Now, why we are using this managing console input output operations? We are going to console by using streams in input output operations. So, we will see what is known as a streams. In C++ streams, what we are getting the concept C++ stream classes, everything will be come to know with it. Here, by using streams, we are consoling the input-output operations to implement effectively, so that devices, input devices, disk states, everything we are going to work in it. C++ uses concept of streams and stream classes to implement its IO operation with the console and the disk file. So, we are using why we are using this concept of streams to console our input-output and we are to console the disk files. So C++ supports this input-output functions. Then streams in an interface supplied by an I/O system of C++ between the programmer and actual device being system. So what is an actual device? Whether it may be your input or output devices. So stream acts as an interface between the program and the devices. Programmer as it is an user, we are the user, so we are the programmer. So as we are the programmer going to interact the system by using any input output devices, so in between stream acts as an interface between us. This is a consoling element. So it will work with the devices like it can be a terminal, disk or tape drives. So what is a stream? A stream is a sequence of bytes. It is not a single byte, it will be a sequence of bytes. So it acts either as a source, stream classes facilities IO operations. So what is an C++ stream? So stream is a sequence of bytes. It is correctly done by to and fro functions from source one end to the another end. It is transforming, that is known as the streams. So in streams we have two types, input stream and output stream. What will be the input? It receives data from any of the input devices like keyboard or disk, etc. Output stream, it passes the output devices such as monitor or disk. So input means it receives input. After that output stream, those received data are implemented and displayed again to the user. Again in the form to the user, it comes as an output devices. Output stream. So input stream, the source stream that provides data to the program. So data to the program by any input devices, keyboard. By using the keyboard, we as a user we are giving program the data to the input stream from the keyboard or any storage devices. Output stream, the destination stream that receives output from the program. The data in the output stream can go screen or any storage devices. Next about input stream and output stream. So what we are doing here, this will be of any input devices. So stream means it is a sequence of bytes. So see the diagram, how was the input stream. So input device, so keyboard, by keyboard using input stream as an interface. Stream will be always an interface between the device and the programmer. So as a programmer, we use the input device and write your program. Now what this output stream is doing, what the program gets implemented and again to the user, output should be displayed. So using output stream, we are displaying the output by using the output device. This is an input stream and output stream. C++ stream classes. The C++ output system contains a hierarchy of classes that are used to define various streams to deal with both console and disk files. So what are they doing in stream classes? There will be a hierarchy. So hierarchy means, what is the meaning for the hierarchy? There will be a base class. From the base class, many classes are inherited. Many classes are inherited like an inheritance concept. While inheriting the derived class, all the properties of the base class are inherited from the base class to the derived class. So here also stream classes is a hierarchy of classes. So there will be deal with both console and the disk files. So we are going to see about what is the hierarchy class, what will be going to be the base class, then what are the classes derived from the base class. So there are classes are called stream classes, and we have named the header file as an IO stream. So this is the stream classes for console IO operation. IOS. So IOS will be the base class. Next, what all the classes inherited? istream, istream and ostream, and in between we have, by using the pointer, stream buffer is there. After that, what it is, this input and output stream together form as an IO stream. After that, istream forms an istream with assign, then IOS stream with assign, then ostream with assign. So from the diagrammatic, IOS is an header file, that is an base class, and the other class all it gets inherited. So istream will be the input stream, and input stream with assigned classes is there. Here IOS stream, this is from the istream and ostream. That IO stream will be assigned with assign, then output also with the output stream with assign. Now we can see it as this way. This is the stream classes structure. Structure, what it will be? C++ stream refers to the stream of characters that are transferred between the program thread and input. Formally, already it is told the stream will be an interface, so it is going to transfer the stream of characters program thread to the output. Stream classes in C++ are used to input and output operations of files and IO devices. These classes have specific features to handle input and output. So using stream classes, we are going to handle the input and output from the program. The ifstream.h library holds all the stream classes in C++ programming languages. So this ifstream is done in hierarchy base class. It is then made. It carries all the stream classes header file. So here stream classes for console operations. So here first IOS. It is a general input output stream classes IOS. What it contains? It contains basic facilities that are used by all other input and output classes. So it is handling the input and output classes. That is what all the programmer need. Then all contains the pointer to the buffer object. In buffer, what they are doing? They are storing the temporary files. They can use only the temporary storage. That is what are all with input and output. All the temporary storage are stored in the buffer object for the future use. Then declares constants and functions that are necessary for the formatted input. So there will be a formatted input and output function. Those need some constants functions. So all it is declared in that IOS. Then istream, it is an input stream. This inherit the properties of IOS. So the IOS is a base class. From that input stream is inherited. While inheriting, it inherits all the properties from the IOS. Then declares the input function. What are the function in input stream? We have get function, getline, and the read function. Then we have an overloader extraction operator. Using this extraction operator, in function only, we are going to give input to the program. For every languages, input will be of different. In C languages, we use printf and scanf for input and output. Here we use cin and cout by using the extraction operator. In stream, we are using the input function as get, getline, and the read. Then ostream, output stream. This inherits the properties. This also how input stream inherits IOS. Then here output stream also inherits the properties of iOS. Here the output functions will be put and the hide function. Here it will be overloading insertion operator. By using this insertion operator cout, we are going to print the output function. Then ifstream, this inherits input and output. So inherit the properties of ifstream and output stream through multiple inheritance, and thus contains the input and output function also. Input stream, output stream, iOS. So it is like a multiple inheritance. It inherits these three stream classes to one ifstream. Then stream buffer. Buffer is a temporary storage. Provides an interface to the physical device through buffer. Acts as a base for file buffer class using the base files. Next about classes of the ifstream library. So in library functions, what are we there? This is some simple command. iOS gives istream, then upstream, other on another side output stream and offstream. iOS class. This class is the base class for all stream classes. The stream can give input output. This class refers members that are independent of how templates of the class. So iOS class will be the base class, and it inherits next for the input and output stream. After that, it is of independent of every classes. Next, istream classes. In istream, it handles the input stream only for programming language, and it is used to read the input as a sequence of characters, and it handles C in to input function. Ostream classes. The ostream class handles the output stream in C++, and as if it is of cout for the output stream, like any display output devices. Using output devices, it displays the function.